The Doernbecher Freestyle program is back with another standout pair, and this time it's the Air Jordan 17 Doernbecher, designed by 18-year-old Zach Rumbaugh. Known for creating some of the most unforgettable Jordans ever, the program now introduces the first-ever Doernbecher edition of the AJ17, marking the model's first return in nearly a decade. Zach's design instantly went viral thanks to its bold but wearable look. The sneaker is packed with automotive-inspired details, bolt graphics, chrome accents, and carbon fiber panels highlight his passion for bikes and cars, a love he shares with Michael Jordan himself. A suede collar, quilted liner, and a color-shifting purple upper give the shoe a premium, custom-wrap feel. Personal touches make this pair unforgettable: a cat graphic on the toe, glowing outsoles, stitched Jumpman logos, and references to the number 38, symbolizing Zach's inspiring journey. The Air Jordan 17 Doernbecher drops spring 2026 for $230.